If your teen has been struggling with depression, anxiety, social withdrawal, or emotional burnout, summer can be the perfect time to reset. At Clarity Clinic, our Adolescent Summer PHP and IOP program offers immediate access to structured, compassionate mental health support that's specifically designed for teens ages 13 to 17. Running Monday through Friday from 12 to 4 p.m., this program gives teens a safe and supportive space to heal without interrupting their evenings or weekends. Plus, with rolling admissions throughout the summer, they can start whenever they're ready. What makes this program truly special is its emphasis on expressive therapies as the core treatment approach. Teens engage in a range of creative outlets like art, music, movement, and drama, giving them powerful ways to express themselves, reduce stress, and explore their emotions beyond traditional talk therapy. Every teen's care is highly personalized, with a treatment plan tailored to their specific needs. Whether they're dealing with school-related stress, low motivation, or struggles with friendships or family, we're here to meet them where they are. We also focus heavily on executive functioning skills, like organization, time management, and academic readiness, so your teen heads into the next school year feeling confident, capable, and more in control. Our summer program will help your teen engage their creativity in a way that maintains structure, so they can transition back to school with more confidence and ease. And because healing happens best with support, our program includes a strong family component, too. Each week, we hold virtual multi-family group sessions on Fridays, helping parents and caregivers improve communication, build structure at home, and move forward as a team. With individual therapy, family support, group connection, and optional medication management all included, this program helps teens develop the emotional and practical tools they need to thrive, both now and in the future.